again. This is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com, and today is June 22nd, 2015. It's currently 11:45 a.m. Chicago time. Today we're going to be talking about the Lean Hogs market. I haven't done a video on Lean Hogs in some time, and I thought now would be a good time, especially since daily and weekly cycles are now coming together. And I want to bring this out to you in advance, which is how I normally roll around here. Okay. As you're looking at right now is a daily chart of Lean Hogs, and I have currently put in the price bar for today, 622. And as you can see here, we have the red diamond here. That's an F date, and it's saying that today is an F date, which means it's a daily cycle date, turn date for Lean Hogs. Now, Lean Hogs kind of gapped down today, hit support, and it's kind of trading, somewhere mid-range today. Market hasn't yet closed, but it's getting close to it for the day session anyway. Previous F date, we saw a bottom ending this daily trend down, and it rallied up, but then again found resistance here at the averages and then shot down again until today. But today is significant because historically the cycles coincide with this particular date as a daily swing bottom, along with the daily F date that you see displayed down here. And then on top of that, I want to show you the weekly chart. Let's take a look at that. All right. Weekly chart. Here we go. Take a look at this. Now, we had a top way back here, week ending May 29th, and we've had nothing but down, down, down in the Lean Hogs. And you'll notice right here, this red diamond means that last week ending June 19th, was a weekly F date, which means that's where the weekly cycle bottom is expected to center historically, and based on my geometric calculations and so forth from the F dates program. And you can see that today, Monday, has so far formed this bar here, which is one bar late of the target. But it's technically, on this chart, it's 1 week late, but we know that it's 1 day late because we know that today's only Monday, and we've got Monday to Friday to make a whole week. But the bar is currently just now forming, so you can see it right here. Now ignore this 6.5 here. This 6.5 pertains to a different methodology altogether that isn't even mine. It's a delta thing. Anyway, and that pertains apparently to that top way up there, because there's 6.5 right here, and there's this top 1 bar early, so that worked out pretty good. Matter of fact, the 2 deltas in a row got a double top. But anyway, if you want to learn delta, you got to learn that from someone else, because I don't teach delta. I didn't discover delta. I didn't come up with delta, but delta's pretty cool, and I do recommend it. Anyway, but come down here, this F date, we see that we are now in a must-make weekly swing area, or this forecast right here will be a bust. Odds of that are 17%, 15% on average, because the F dates are accurate 81% plus percentage of the time within one price bar. And since we did not have a weekly swing here, the probability is stupendously high that this week will make a weekly swing bottom in the Lean Hogs market. It shoots up its probability to the top of the charts. And then when we couple this with the fact that today is an F date, it hit support, it bounced off support, it is in the oversold zone, and historically speaking, major cycle bottoms overlay at this particular time point, I'm expecting Lean Hogs to rally. I'm expecting prices to rise. I believe we will see a weekly swing bottom this week, and today is a very good candidate within this week to make that bottom. Could happen any time during the week, of course, because the weekly bottom can happen between Monday and Friday, but I am saying we've got this F date. Hey, it's falling on that particular time. I would start looking right now for Lean Hogs to start making a move to the upside. Well, thanks again for watching my video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, all those other good things that just help support the channel. Also, remember, I have a free newsletter. Take advantage of it, because from time to time I'm going to tell you about things. You're going to want to receive it. And of course, I have a Market Forecasting Secrets book. We have been selling that now for over 3 years, and they still continue to come off the shelves. You will want a copy of that book. Take my word for it. All right. See you next time.